I'm your sir, Zuhur sir. Today I am with the condition 3 of projection of planes. The condition is plane is perpendicular to both VP as well as to HP. So this is the principal plane VP and HP. So the plane ABCD, which is perpendicular to VP and it is also perpendicular to HP. So how we can draw this is the pictorial view, how we can draw the orthographic projections of these. So let me first show you on the pictorial view. If we look the plane from its top, so what we can see only a line. That line is A and B, and this line can be seen on HP. So same way, if I look it from the front, from here, so what I can see only a line. That line is B and D. How we can see? So I will show it on this. So let me produce this line and this. So if I look it from top, so I can see A first, and I know behind A is C, which will come in brackets. And same way, I can see B first, and behind B is D, which will come in brackets. So same way I can produce this line up to the vertical plane. So this is the line which I can see. If I look it from the front, on the top I can see B first, that is B prime, and behind B is A, that will come in brackets, A prime. So here I can see the D first, that is D prime, and behind D is C, that is C prime. So this is how it will come in the pictorial diagram. So let's draw the orthographic projection of the same. So what we have to do, we have to rotate this plane, horizontal plane, it will come down, and it will rotate about the axis. That axis is X and Y. So let's draw X and Y first. That's my X and Y, and it can, if we look it from there, it will be a line, simply a line. That line can be fully seen, so we must be knowing the distance of this line. So you have a choice, you can draw from anywhere, because in both the cases we will get a line. Fine. So I can draw its front view first, and then from the front view I can draw the top view, or vice versa, I can draw the top view, with the top view I can draw the front view. So choice is yours. Fine. So let me draw the front view. A front view first. This is the front view. So on the top, what I can see, front view, I can see B prime, and behind B prime is A prime. And at the bottom, what I can see D prime, and behind D prime is C prime. So let me now produce this line up to the horizontal plane. And in horizontal plane also, we can see a line. If I look it from now top, so what I can see a line again, So you can see nearer to XY is A, so this end is A, and behind A, as it was in the above case, is C, which will come in the brackets, and away from the XY line is B, so this is my B, and behind B is D, which we cannot see, that will come in brackets. So this is the orthographic view of the above pictorial diagram. I hope you got this question. Thank you very much. Be with me for more such conditions.